Hey guys, so as I said earlier when I was working on the other painting, I was like, I've got an idea. So I'm going to try it. I am going to take two different paints. I'm going to take the Payne's Gray and the Orange Yellow, and I'm going to cover half of the canvas on one side diagonally with the Payne's Gray. I'm going to hopefully pull up the tape and not have any of the paint run anywhere, and then I'm going to cover the other side with the Orange Yellow. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some colors, do like a Dutch pour over them, and then I'm going to blow them out. So I got to get my blow dryer out. I totally forgot to grab that out. So I'm going to grab my blow dryer. I am going to readjust the camera, and then we're going to see how this turns out. I have a feeling it's going to be really pretty. It's just a hunch. I was just really loving the way that those colors played together on the flip cup pour that I did earlier, and so I wanted to see what else I could come up with. So give me a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have this gorgeous flooded canvas with the Payne's Gray on this side and the Orange Yellow on this side. I did get a little bit of the Payne's Gray when I was swiping it over with my spatula, so I don't think I cleaned it off enough, but I don't think it's going to matter in the long run. So I am actually going to start with the Creative Inspirations Crimson, and I am just going to go down the line here. And then I decided to throw in, just for a kind of a stark contrast, I threw in Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. And then I have Amsterdam Emerald Green. I have Burnt Sienna. And then I have the DecoArt 24 karat gold. Okay, so now I'm going to take just a little bit more of this. And a little bit more of my Payne's Gray. And we are going to give this whole thing a shot here. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I'm going to have to move this around a little bit because I accidentally, I don't know if anybody saw that, got my, I bumped my blow dryer right into this. In here, a little bit of this. Okay, I think I'm just going to blow that just a hair, very carefully this time without getting my blow dryer in the paint. Just a second. One more. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so gorgeous. Let me pop these bubbles and show you what we have. Okay, so this is the most beautiful painting in the world. Look at the cells. Look at how all those colors blended together and just created this beautiful masterpiece. I think throwing in that turquoise blue was the right decision to get some contrast in there. Guys, I absolutely adore this painting. I'm not even sure if I want to sell this one, but if you make me an offer, I might sell it to you, but I have a feeling this one I might be keeping and hanging on my wall. But if you are interested in it, email me at krystal.dahaba@gmail.com. You might not see this one on my Etsy shop, so definitely if you're interested in it, please, please, please do shoot me an email, because this one is just super gorgeous. Again, thanks guys for watching. I really enjoy creating this art for you. Please help support me by, clicking on some of the products that I use, subscribing to my channel, getting your friends to watch. It really helps support this hobby for me and keeps me painting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoy this, and I will see you guys all soon. Bye.